Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into the world of Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.37. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.92%. This equates to an average return of 0.56% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a weak upward trend in the short term, which may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $238.27 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.12% to 6.80%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 27.99% over the next year, with a potential return between 4.32% and 35.13%. This would translate to a price range from $246.69 to $319.56 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Monday trading session. The Apple stock price gained approximately 0.63% on the last trading day, rising from $235 to $236.48. It has now experienced 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if a minor pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.02%, reaching a low of $234.45 and a high of $236.85. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.67% over the past 2 weeks. However, volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.29 billion. It is essential to consider that declining volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.49, while the lowest price stood at $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.43%, or $1.01, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. shares are currently facing resistance at a crucial price level, suggesting limited potential for stability at this moment. A pivotal moment lies in the recent surge of iPhone 16 sales in China, which is expected to enhance Apple's performance in its challenging market. Analysts are optimistic that advanced like Apple's artificial intelligence could significantly drive up demand for iPhones. Additionally, the recent introduction of new features for AirPods Pro 2, allowing them to function as hearing aids, marks a substantial expansion of their utility, which could boost sales and consumer interest. Mixed reports about iPhone 16 sales have created some uncertainty, potentially impacting short-term fluctuations in the stock price. As the market waits for further insights, particularly following the September quarter earnings report, investors may need to assess both the short-term volatility and the long-term growth potential stemming from these product innovations and international market dynamics. The overall sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, with new product developments likely reinforcing Apple's strong market position and investor confidence in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned a buy grade to Apple with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies also rated Apple with a hold grade and recommended a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave Apple an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, JP Morgan also rated Apple as overweight with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Evercore ISI awarded Apple an outperform grade while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given this stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The chart indicates mostly positive signals today. Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at 232.14 cents, as well as 226.14 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 14.11%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been issued from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Despite the rise in prices, volume decreased during the last trading day, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, the stock exhibited a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique formation. Such combinations are quite rare and are often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 54 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 119 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 107 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.40 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.02%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.32%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we need to look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio falls within a typical range, often found in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates at $1.55. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this context, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold 17,989 shares or options in the company. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.452. In total, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $229.01, representing a decrease of 3.16%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom, identified 53 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators and is currently within a weak upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a solid choice at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we expect Apple to open lower by approximately 55 cents and commence trading at $235.93. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.